Welcome back. Today we will fix a smart LED or RGB LED bulb which is malfunctioning with low brightness to normal by replacing a capacitor. Remove the top diffuser by rotating and pulling off by little force, and note the wire colors and points before desoldering. If the wires have enough length, we can unscrew bottom plate and replace capacitor, but in this case wire length was not enough to safely replace the capacitor. We can visually recognize the malfunctioning capacitor. It may be bulged on top or bottom or both side, or may be leaking or can see dark due to overheating. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this.